how you can generate income online without a website. In the past, those who wished to make money online needed a site, marketing know-how, and items or products to sell. There is a new age of earning money online just by selling not what you have but what you understand. You don't need to be a genius in marketing and even a web designer. You can make money with information you have. Assist others find job opportunities. There are plenty of websites offered that help to sign up with possible workers with employers that are seeking to work with. This is one way you can make money online. A lot of the potential employees are already working and are not actively having to find a brand new task. These customers are typically discovered through a networking with those people who understand qualified prospects for particular proposals and positions. You generate income online by referring these prospects to employers. When you present a client to a company and that prospect is employed for the task, you can make anywhere from a couple of $100 to $5,000. That is a nice way to make money online merely for referring a proficient employee for a job. This not only advantages you, but the individual for which you found the task too, as they are probably taking steps up the business ladder with the change. Link buyers to suppliers. A common organization practice has long been getting costs for recommendations. There has actually not been much activity in this location to earn money online, due to the fact that thus far there hasn't been a method to properly track them. There is a business that can provide you with the methods to do just that. Vendors that are willing to make deals usually set a recommendation charge they pay, and when the offer comes through, you can get as much as 70% of that fee. This is an excellent way for one to make money online. You can provide contact information for businesses. For those companies that are associated with sales, one of the greatest challenges they face is getting accurate information on potential customers, such as their contact information. A fantastic method to make money online is to assist those organizations connect with their customers that are eager to do commerce. There is a website that will really enable you to make money online by helping them to maintain to date info on people you know, and will pay you to do simply that. End up being a blogger. Amongst the fastest growing ways to generate income online is with blogs. There are a few sites that will allow you to set up a blog in less than 5 minutes, and it is definitely free. Those websites can assist you make money online by setting up a Google AdSense and permitting you to display ads and get paid each time a prospective buyer clicks on that ad. When you set up affiliate programs, that will pop up in your links when people refer to the items in your affiliate programs. You can make even more money. Many individuals have ended up being effective generating income. You simply have to select a subject you are enthusiastic about, compose the content if you can write well, and tell your friends to visit your blog. you will be off to a good start. And if your writing is interesting enough, your friends will inform friends, and so on. That is a great way to make money online merely for referring a skilled staff member for a task. There has actually not been much activity in this area to make money online, because hence there hasn't been a way to accurately track them. As I have said, a fantastic way to make money online is to assist those companies connect with the consumers prepared to do commerce. There is a site that will really permit you to make money online by assisting them to keep up to date info on individuals who understand and will pay you to do the simple thing. On the fastest growing ways to make money online is with blogs. Now I hope some of this is sunk in and you understand it. So blogging is the way forward. It doesn't take much to set up a blog. Type it into Google. As I always say, always search well. Do your research first. So type it into Google. How to blogs, how to set up blogs. What do I do to make a blog? Where are the cheapest blogs to make? All things like that. Put into Google. They'll come up with pages and pages of information for you with suggestions of where to go. Also, my favourite, as I say, is YouTube. Now YouTube, they come up, you have to put how to. So, how to start a blog, how to make money from a blog, how to use a blog, how much does a blog cost, anything like that, how to. There, YouTube comes up with programs showing you how to do it. So YouTube I like. Now underneath my video there's a like button, something like that, or like that maybe. It could be like that, but it's a like button. Click on that and that helps me with YouTube. Also subscribe, which helps me more, and up the top you'll find a bell. Click on that bell and all next to it and you'll get informed when my next video comes online. YouTube lets you know. Now underneath my video you'll find my YouTube channel. It is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I've got over 280 videos telling you how to make money online, how to start making money online, how to do online marketing, etc, etc. They're all make money online videos. That once again is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Put it in the browser, scroll down the page to find the videos. Underneath my video as well there are links. Now these links are all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs myself. Also there's tools under there which I have purchased, so I own the tools, but I put the links for the company where I purchased the tools. They are affiliated, and for affiliated links, if you click on one, join the program or purchase the goods, then I get paid a small commission. That's how we make our money on the internet. Other than that, we have to work hard with YouTube, as YouTube will pay me commission once I have had 1,000 sign-ups, 1,000 likes and 4,000 hours of view time. Then YouTube will allow me to go into AdSense and they'll start putting ads on my videos, whereas I get a small commission from YouTube. So please, as I said, look through the video again if you didn't understand it properly. Do your research with Google and YouTube and any other program you wish. And also, once more, click the link below and press the like on that link. And thank you for watching. Hope you do come back and hope you have success with the internet. It's Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching this and cheerio for now.